Hi there, students. An alter ego. Okay, so somebody's alter ego is a side of their personality that different from the one that you don't normally see. So when she's with her friends, she's always incredibly confident and very extrovert. But I got to know her alter ego, and in reality, she's very sweet and very kind, and very sensitive. Let's see. Mostly, you know me as I Swear English, as Alex, but I do have an alter ego, Charles Henry Fortescue. Charles Henry Fortescue here. So, Charles Henry Fortescue is one of my alter egos. Notice I have various. There's also one called Telda Chav, who is Terence, who is a working class guy. Okay, so an alter ego, it's another character. So you can use this word, an alter ego, to describe the character that an actor usually plays in films or on television. So actors are known as the characters that we play on that they play on television, and when we meet them, we meet their alter ego, maybe the real person. You can also use this phrase alter ego to talk about a friend who is always with you, a very close, intimate friend, somebody you always go around with. Yeah? So the two girls were inseparable. Jane and Sue were just inseparable. They were always together. So I always say that Jane is Sue's alter ego. Yeah, they're very similar to each other. They do the same things. They like the same things. So they're intimate friends and constant companions. Okay, and that's another way of doing it. Okay, so an alter ego, either an inseparable friend or a second self. Yeah, a substitute. So at work, I'm one person, but as a father or a parent, well, that's one of my alter egos. Yeah, it's another aspect of my personality. Because one of the questions with this is, so who am I? Who is a person? Well, we change depending on the situation we're in. I think if you're with your parents, you're not the same. You don't act in the same way as you do when you are with your girlfriend, or if you're out with your mates. And clearly, to me, each of these different characters, or the person in each of these situations, these are different alter egos. Okay, they are different facets of your personality. Yeah. Okay, different identities, because I think our identities are made up of various different alter egos. Yeah, so alter ego, a trusted friend who you're always with, the person that you or that you play as an actor. Good evening, students. It's very nice to see you. Or another facet of your character, another role within your life. Yeah, and this is the idea of alter ego. Let's see. As to formality, I'm going to give this a 5 in formality. Use it absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, okay, this comes from Latin. Alter, ego, alter, other, and ego, self. So it's saying your other self and another person, a different me. So, this is a good question for you to think about. Who is me? Am I the person that everybody sees at work? Am I the person who is sitting alone thinking about something? Am I the me that is out with my friends drinking? Okay, these are all different alter egos. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Alter ego.